Cheers everybody, you know who it is, your friend, Grow Canada, coming at you with a little unboxing video. As you know, if you follow me, you've probably seen that I had a bird get into my room, fly into my fan. Well, I had contacted the good people over at Vivosun and they hooked me up with getting a new fan and filter. So that should be in this box here. I'll go ahead and get it all opened up. Now keep in mind, this box does look upside down. I agree, but the shipping label was right here, and this is how the Purelator guy gave me the box. But I'm pretty sure it's upside down. But from the looks of it, everything is individually boxed inside, so that doesn't matter. It's a little bit heavy. Here we got our carbon filter. You can see, 6 by 18 inch carbon filter. It's from Vivosun. I picked this up on Amazon. This kit was $150. I'm going to take it out of the box here. And from the looks of it, it is upside down because the arrows are pointing down. I'm setting this off. This should be our 6-inch fan. We're back. Sorry about that. Phone rang. You guys know, real life. But yeah, this should be our fan. We got our upside right now. You can see. Don't get it wet. It's fragile. This side up. 6 something. I don't know what that one means. It's 56 inch, but I don't think that's what it means. Here we have it. We got our Vivosun inline, or the inline fan with a variable controller. I don't know why they sent 2. They were probably just stuck together. Many thanks, dear grower. Yada yada yada. Amazon promotions and stuff. Find us on Facebook. Here you can see other information. Only the best. And they also sent me a little booklet to show me some of their other things. You can see here it's all well packaged in here. Nice styrofoam. We got our mounting bracket. I will give you some advice. If you're going to mount your fan to the ceiling, it is easier if you take this bracket, hold it to the ceiling, drill your holes you're going to put, take the bracket, then mount it to your fan, then just screw your screws up in with a screwdriver. Because if you're trying to get a drill up in there, it's not very easy. My other fan, I hung it with the bracket on it. It was a pain in the ass. Now here you can see, it's looking pretty good. And now I know a lot of you are probably wondering, how loud is this fan? I will edit in a little clip to the end to show you how loud this fan is on the different settings of the controller. So definitely stay tuned if that's something you're interested in. I know when I watch fan unboxings, I always want to see how loud it is. Here's where you hook the bracket. You just unscrew this. You probably need some tools. It's a little bit tight. And this is your controller and your power cord. You can see you got high, medium, low, and on and off. This is off, on high, medium, low. You just plug it into the wall and you're good to go. You set that off to the side. And we'll open up our filter. One thing I do notice, there's a pretty big ding in the box here, but it doesn't look like it made it through the first layer of the cardboard. So, and you know it happens. Shipping. I will have another video in the future showing how to hang this fan and filter and hook them all together, so if that's something you're interested in, definitely check it out. You can see, get her in a bag here, we'll lift it out. In the box, there's another foam down at the bottom. So you got the 2 styrofoams to hold it. And then they send us another book, Only the Best Products, with some more. It's a different flyer than this other one they sent, you can see. Same type of thing, just a Vivosun flyer. You can find all these products over on Amazon, and if it's something that interests you, and definitely message them and hit them up. If you want a discount or something, they might even be able to help you out. But here we got the filter. I'm not going to take this out of the bag because I don't want it to get all covered in cat hair, because you know I have pets. See, this end's closed. And this end, you hook your tube to this, then you run a tube from here to the fan, and it sucks the air through here. But we'll have this hanging up in our room, and we'll have a little clip at the end to show you how loud the fan is. But thank you guys for watching. Definitely smash that thumbs up button, share with your friends, and stay tuned to see us install this fan in the future. Cheers, everyone. Cheers, everybody. We're here to show you how loud it is when we turn it on. We're going to turn it on and go right to the low setting. See, it takes a second to go. And then here, you see it's blowing pretty hard. Now this right here is full blast on low. Turn it to medium. This is directly in the middle. Not that much louder. This is on high. This is full blast right here. And as you can see, I kind of gotta yell a little bit. It's pretty loud, but like, it blows the paper right away. Definitely pretty loud. Appreciate you guys all for watching. Look forward to seeing you on the next time.